Hello, James Blackwell's JB Commercial Finance here. I hope you're all very well today. I was going to have a very brief video to tell you about a situation I've come across in the last few weeks, which I think may be of interest to some of you. Now, I'll go on and on about banks turning deals down and not being able to do them, and that's fine. Banks are still great, but they do have restrictive appetite. But I have one recently which is a little bit different. Now, this was a client, a very well-established client, 3 directors of this business, £200,000 net profit, very, very profitable, long-established business based in the Midlands. They came to myself because they needed to borrow some money for expansion, but one of the directors, who was there at the start-up of the business, was now in his late 60s, and he had made the decision he didn't want to guarantee any more debt for the business. It wasn't a huge amount of money involved. I think it was £40,000 over a 3-year term. So he didn't want to guarantee it because of his age and his personal circumstances. He was looking to retire next year or so. The other 2 directors, who were considerably younger, in their 50s, were happy to do so. So they went to their bank. The bank turned around and said, "You've been a long-standing client of ours. We love your business. You run your account well. You make lots of money. We're happy to help you, but we will only do so on condition that all 3 directors sign this personal guarantee." Now, the directorship of the business was 3 ways, and the shareholding of the business was also 3 ways. So they would have had a majority of the shareholders on board, that have 2 of the 3 directors, but this particular bank were not interested in taking a personal guarantee from just 2 of them. They felt it was some kind of a dereliction of duty, I suppose, that this 3rd director was prepared to benefit from the business growing and the bank supporting doing that, but weren't prepared to sign a personal guarantee. So he approached myself, he'd seen a few of my videos online, and said, "Are you able to help me out with this, James?" And the answer was yes. Now, don't get me wrong, a majority of the high street lenders, and even the mainstream lenders, such as the well-known peer-to-peer platforms, still are not too keen to help. But by putting a structure in place where there's a particular lender who is happy to take a view on this, as long as the other 2 sign the guarantee, happy to lend this money, we can then refinance this deal in 3-4 months' time when the new they're going to change the directorship of the business to reflect this new situation, and we're going to then restructure the debt to a more affordable lender at that time. But it allows the business to grow without the restrictions of the bank being put on them, plus giving the business owners what they actually want. And this is the important thing, and this is what frustrates me with a lot of lenders at this moment in time. They'll tell you what they want from a deal, who they're willing to help, but they won't always listen to the client. And this was a classic case of that. This was a perfectly reasonable request by a well-established, very profitable business with very justifiable reasons why this particular debt director didn't want to sign a personal guarantee. He was well into retirement age and they still weren't able to help. But we were able to find someone who did. The client gets what they need, they grow the business as they want, and you know what? Hopefully they'll go back to me in the future for more finance rather than going straight to their bank. Hopefully that's made sense. Any questions, please get in touch, like, share this video. Always happy to receive inquiries. I'm James Blackwell's JB Commercial Finance. Thank you very much.